National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Berrien County in southwestern Michigan until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lake Michigan Beach or near Benton Heights, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Benton Harbor, St. Joseph, Benton Heights, Fair Plain, Watervliet, Coloma, Lake Michigan Beach, Paw Paw Lake, Riverside, Spinks Corners, and Millburg. This includes the following highways: Interstate 196 between mile markers 0 and 7. Interstate 94 in Michigan between mile markers 31 and 42. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Berrien, Michigan.
Former Big Row veterans Pop Evil on 103.9. Those guys out on the road right now, and they will be making a stop in Belvedere, Illinois in mid-September. So if you want more details on that epic concert, be sure to stop by the concerts page at 1039thebarrett.com. The Black Keys.